Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best cordless circular saw is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your arsenal, whether you're a seasoned carpenter or a weekend warrior. This video is dedicated to helping you navigate the world of cordless circular saws, specifically the 7¼ inch models. We'll dive deep into what makes these tools tick, exploring their features, performance, and how they stack up against the competition, so you can make an informed decision. Number 5. SKIL PWR Core 20 Brushless Circular Saw Kit. This saw is incredibly efficient. It can make up to 600 cuts on a single charge, based on 2x4 crosscuts in SPF lumber. That means less downtime and more productivity for you. With a 2 to 9/16 inch depth of cut, it easily powers through tough materials. This allows the user to complete the job quickly and efficiently. This 7 to 1/4 inch rear handle SKIL saw is powered by two PWR Core 25.0 AH lithium-ion batteries. It gives you the cutting performance of a corded saw, but with the freedom of cordless. The digital brushless motor maximizes power and extends the tool's life. This intelligent power management system ensures that it runs efficiently and lasts longer. The PWR Core 20 lithium-ion battery technology extends the runtime. The batteries are designed to keep powering on for 25% longer, and they also have 2x battery life. The innovative dual-port PWR jump charger recharges both batteries quickly. It can charge both batteries from 0 to 25% in just 15 minutes, or fully charge them in under an hour. The adaptable dust port in the auxiliary handle directs sawdust away from the work area. This feature helps to keep your work area clean and improves visibility. What we like. This saw boasts an impressive 600 cuts per charge, making it ideal for large projects. Its 40V power ensures it can handle tough materials with ease. If you're tackling a big job and need a saw that keeps going, you should consider this one. What people say. This SKIL saw is one of the lightest, about 11 pounds, among the rear handle circular saws. It has the power to cut through 2x woods easily. It can make angle cuts. The depth adjustment is simple. The weight of the saw and gravity literally carried the saw right through the board like it was a hot knife going through butter. The torque is simply unmatched. This saw can power through wet 2x lumber all day. The handle is positioned back behind the saw, which gives you very good accuracy as you are pushing forward, and the long length makes corrections less extreme. This translates to a more accurate cut. It used 2 batteries at one time and the batteries charge very quickly. Number 4. DEWALT DCS 570B 20V Max Cordless Circular Saw. Introducing the DEWALT DCS 570B. This cordless circular saw is designed for efficiency and power. It's a reliable tool for any job. The saw features a brushless motor that delivers 5,500 RPM. This ensures consistent speed even when cutting through tough materials. It helps maintain performance under load. Get up to 330 crosscuts in 2x4 pine with this saw. This extended runtime allows you to work longer without needing to change batteries. It's designed to keep you productive. The 7 to 1/4 inch blade provides a 2 to 9/16 inch cutting capacity at 90 degrees. This allows for a wide range of cutting applications. It offers versatility for various projects. It has a bevel capacity up to 57 degrees. This feature increases versatility, allowing for angled cuts. This makes it suitable for complex cuts. What we like. This saw features a brushless motor that delivers consistent power. The 57-degree bevel capacity gives you increased versatility for various cuts. If you are looking for a reliable saw with a wide range of cutting angles, it's a great choice. What people say. The saw has plenty of power. The battery life is great. The saw is lightweight and easy to handle. Number 3. DEWALT DCS 573B 20V Max * Cordless Circular Saw. This DEWALT circular saw delivers impressive power, especially when paired with FLEXVOLT batteries. It allows the user to tackle tough jobs with ease, making the cutting process more efficient. The saw's brushless motor provides a rapid 5,500 RPM. This feature ensures quick and efficient cuts through various materials. It offers a maximum cutting depth of 2 to 9/16 inches at 90 degrees and 2 inches at 45 degrees. This allows the user to make precise cuts at different angles. The electric brake quickly stops the blade after the trigger is released. This feature enhances safety and control during operation. A bright LED light improves visibility and cut accuracy. This feature helps the user see the cutting line clearly, even in dimly lit conditions. It includes an integrated rafter hook for convenient storage. This allows the user to quickly and easily store the tool when not in use. What we like. This saw offers up to 77% more power when paired with FLEXVOLT batteries, ensuring faster cutting. The electric brake adds an extra layer of safety. If you like a saw that combines power with safety and efficiency, this is the one for you. What people say. Was a little worried about buying a full-size 7-to-1/4 circular saw and running it on a standard 20V battery, but this thing cuts like my AC-powered saw. Went through 2x8s knots and all without bogging down. Handles very well, good balance and great visibility of the cut during operation. I've built a couple of platforms for 250-gallon water tanks with it and am currently using it to build a milking stanchion for milking cows and sheep. Number 2. DEWALT FLEXVOLT 60V Max * Circular Saw, DCS 578B. This DEWALT circular saw delivers up to 47% more power compared to the DCS 575 model. It allows you to make tough cuts with ease. You'll experience a significant boost in performance. This saw uses a standard 7-to-1/4-inch cordless circular saw blade. It provides a maximum cut depth of 2 to 9/16 inches at a 90-degree bevel. It's perfect for a variety of cutting tasks. The saw features a maximum bevel capacity of 57 degrees. It includes bevel stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees for common angles. This gives you flexibility and precision. An electric brake quickly stops the blade after you release the trigger. This feature enhances safety and control during operation. It helps you work more confidently. An integrated LED light increases visibility and cut accuracy. It illuminates your work area, allowing you to make precise cuts even in low-light conditions. This helps you achieve professional results. The integrated rafter hook allows for quick and easy storage. You can conveniently hang it when not in use. This saves space and keeps it within reach. What we like. This saw gives you up to 47% more power, making it a powerhouse on the job site. The 57-degree bevel capacity provides flexibility for complex cuts. If you are a professional looking for maximum power and precision, you should consider this saw. What people say. As powerful as my electric Makita. This saw is more powerful than a corded. Very convenient being cordless, but the FLEXVOLT batteries are as much or more than the tool, so I get generic ones which are spendy themselves. Number 1. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 7-to-1/4 inches. Circular Saw. Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 7-to-1/4-inch Circular Saw. This saw is designed for power and performance, making it a great addition to any toolbox. It features a POWRSTAT brushless motor, built specifically for this saw. This motor delivers the power of a 15A corded circular saw, without the cord. The saw is powered by a red lithium high-output HD 12.0 battery pack. This battery provides more power and runs cooler than standard packs. It's built to withstand tough job site conditions. It also includes an integrated rafter hook for easy storage. The saw has an integrated dust port and an LED light for increased accuracy. An electric brake stops the blade quickly. Finally, it has RedLink Plus intelligence. This ensures optimal performance and protects the tool and battery from damage. It's fully compatible with the M18 system. What we like. This saw delivers the power of a 15A corded saw, but cordless. The high-output battery provides extended runtime. If you need a saw with corded performance without the cord, it's a perfect fit. What people say. This saw is by far the best cordless saw I've ever used. It is so powerful and cuts through any hardwood I throw at it. As a carpenter, it's important I get nice straight cuts and plenty of power for doing tough jobs. It's got great power and the light is a plus. I also like that I can attach a vacuum hose to its outlet for cleaner work environments, which lead to less of a mess later on. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.